Have you experienced something like this? Same. Because on one of my PCs, I use a pirated version. Actually, many have given tutorials on how to solve this problem. But since I often forget, I recorded it and shared it. Who knows, it will get additional views and subscribers. Of course, for now, this method can still be used. I don't know what will happen in the future. Okay, let's get straight to it. Just close Photoshop using End Task via Task Manager. Then, open Control Panel, System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall. Select Advanced Settings. In Outbound Rules, right-click and select New Rule to create a new rule. Then select the program, select the This Program path point, and then enter your Photoshop path. Usually it is in C, Program Files, Adobe, Adobe Photoshop. If so, click Next. Select the Block the Connection point. Click Next again and check all, then click Next again. Just fill in something easy to remember, which is related to Photoshop, of course. If so, click Finish. And it's done. Now you can enjoy your pirated Photoshop arbitrarily and with minimal features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video if I'm not lazy to make it. Bye-bye!